Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about the best AI tools you should know. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Let's say you're tasked to create a t-shirt design for Christmas. The next 3 AI tools that I'm going to show you are all actually useful for this task. The first AI tool is this conversational AI tool, Chatgpt. Chatgpt is free to use. Simply log in using your Google account or sign up for free. Now, to create a t-shirt design for Christmas, what you're gonna need so that we can move on to the next AI tool is to instruct Chatgpt to list 5 text prompts that you can use to generate an image that can be used as a t-shirt design for Christmas. Let's go ahead and send this message to ChatGPT. And as you can see, ChatGPT listed 5 text prompts that you can use to generate an image for a t-shirt design for Christmas. The next AI tool we have here is Leonardo AI. Leonardo AI has a text-to-image feature which allows you to generate images from text prompts. And the text prompts that we generated using ChatGPT earlier are the text prompts that we will be using here. Now that we have successfully created an account here in Leonardo AI and that we're logged in, the next thing we will do is head on to their text-to-image feature. And to do that, here under User Tools, you can see AI Image Generation. Just click on this, and now you are in Leonardo AI's text-to-image generation tool. In this section, we will be pasting the prompts that we generated using ChatGPT earlier one by one. Now keep in mind that each image generation will cost you a token. Here on the left, you can see the remaining tokens you have left. Okay, so let's go ahead and paste the first prompt that we have generated with ChatGPT earlier. So the first prompt is a whimsical night sky filled with stars, Santa and his reindeer soaring over a snowy landscape delivering joy to the world. On the left, let's edit the settings. So the number of images that we want to be generated with this prompt should be around 2. You can see the cost here. Change as we change the settings, and for the guidance scale, let's choose 9, and for the model, let's keep it as is. For the style, let's choose 9, and for the rest of the settings, let's keep it as is. So now you can see that based on the settings that we have, the total cost of this prompt or image generation will be 5 tokens. Let's go ahead and generate this. Here you can see how long it's taking for the image to be generated, and in just 10 seconds we can see here a whimsical night sky filled with stars, Santa and his reindeer soaring over a snowy landscape. Let's take a closer look at each of the photos, looking at this one and this one as well. So based on this generated images, you can see how strongly the prompt has been followed and how accurate the images are. Now let's try the second prompt, which is a chaotic and hilarious collage of classic Christmas elements like reindeer, snowflakes, gingerbread man, and maybe even a Christmas llama, all in the style of an ugly sweater. Actually, let's remove this one and change the model to for a 3D animation style. Keep the number of images to be generated. Now for this prompt, let's enable prompt magic. And now you can see the total cost of this is only 4 tokens. Let's go ahead and click on generate. And we have here our generated images from the prompt: a chaotic and hilarious collage of classic Christmas elements like the reindeer, snowflakes, gingerbread man, and a Christmas llama. Let's zoom in on these pictures, look at them one by one. And this is actually a good t-shirt design. If you ask me, I think this is cute and fun to place on your shirt. Now let's try the third prompt, which is a cozy cabin nestled in a snowy forest with friendly woodland creatures celebrating Christmas together under the northern lights. Let's choose a different model. Let's try Anime Pastel Dream and keep the number of images as well as the prompt magic setting and the guidance scale setting. Let's click generate again. And now we have 2 images of a cozy cabin nestled in a snowy forest with friendly woodland creatures celebrating Christmas together under the northern lights. So as you can see in the second picture, we have the woodland creatures, and on the first one, I don't think we have any. And for the fourth prompt, we have a vibrant and festive typography featuring the words Jingle All the Way, entwined with cheerful holiday icons like jingle bells, holly, and twinkling lights. Let's change the model once again. Try maybe Anime Pastel Dream. And then keep the settings as is and generate again. So now from that prompt, we have here 2 images of anime characters, although I don't think the prompt has been followed. Now for the last prompt, we have here a charming illustration of Santa's bustling workshop filled with busy elves, colorful presents, and the magic of Christmas in the air. So for the model, I chose the 3D animation style and changed the number of images to be generated to 3 and turned on the prompt magic and kept the rest of the settings as is. Now you can see that among all the prompts that we have generated, this one cost the most with 6 tokens. Let's go ahead and generate this. In less than 15 seconds, we have our 3 images generated here. Let's look at each one, reminding that the prompt is a charming illustration of Santa's bustling workshop filled with busy elves, colorful presents, and the magic of Christmas in the air. So let's look at the first one, the second one, and the third one. So among these prompts, the first, second, third, fourth, and fifth, we can choose from many different designs for our t-shirt. Personally, I still like this one the most, so I'm gonna go ahead and select this and save it or download it to my computer. Download both images, and we will now be moving on to the next AI tool. So the third AI tool and the last AI tool that I will be presenting to you guys is this Let's Enhance.io AI tool used for enhancing and upscaling images, which we will do using the 2 generated images that we downloaded a while ago. Let's go ahead and start for free. And as you can see here, we have the before and after of this image. Let's go ahead and create our account, and I will be back later. And by simply signing up for an account using my Google account, I have now been redirected to this image enhancer tool where I can drag and drop the image to this section. I'm also gonna drag and drop the other one. Now that I have dragged and dropped the 2 images that I want to enhance, take note that we have 10 credits when we're using a free account. On the right, we can see the operations like the upscale type. We want Smart Enhance. Also the size. We can also select whether we want the background to be removed. I'm turning that off because I want to keep the background. Turn on Light AI if you want to balance out the colors and fix the lighting of your images. Tone Enhance for higher dynamic range. And Color Enhance for higher saturation and slight brightness adjustments. I'm keeping all of these off because I'm satisfied with what this looks like. I just want to enhance it. I'm gonna go ahead and click on Start Processing. And as you can see here, the images are being processed now and will be ready in about a few minutes. Now that our images have been enhanced, you can see here that our credits have been lessened by 2 because 2 of those credits have been used to enhance 2 of these images. I'm gonna go ahead and download these images and then view them later on. And from here, you can see 2 enhanced images, and below there is a watermark from Let's Enhance.io. You can just simply crop that if you don't want to include it in your image or your design. And now we have a t-shirt design for Christmas using free tools such as Chatgpt, Leonardo AI, and Let's Enhance.io. So that's it for this video. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel so you can tune in to the next one.